Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Health Tips Channel, the place where your go-to source for all things health and nutrition. Today, we have a vital topic to discuss: what foods help repair kidneys. Kidney health is crucial, and the right foods can make a world of difference. So, let's dive right in. Did you know that over 37 million people in the United States alone suffer from kidney diseases? It's a staggering number, but the good news is that we can take control of our kidney health by making some simple dietary changes. Starting with the basics, proper hydration is essential for kidney health. Water helps flush out toxins and ensures the kidneys can perform their filtration function optimally. Our first kidney-friendly food is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and cranberries are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys. Plus, they taste great. Next up, we have leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens, and arugula are rich in vitamins A and C, as well as fiber, while being low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for kidney health. Now, here's a little secret weapon for kidney health: garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure, reducing the strain on your kidneys. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, trout, sardines, and tuna, are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and improve kidney function. Apples are low in potassium and high in fiber and antioxidants, promoting overall health and aiding in kidney function. Staying hydrated is vital for your kidneys. And what better way to do it than with water-rich fruits like watermelon? Whip up a watermelon cooler to keep your kidneys happy and hydrated. Let's not forget about kidney beans. These legumes are not only named after our vital organ but are also packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients that support kidney health. Cauliflower and broccoli are fantastic choices for kidney health. They're low in potassium and high in fiber, making them excellent options for maintaining kidney function. Red bell peppers are a kidney-friendly choice due to their low potassium content and an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and B6, offering kidney protective antioxidants. Onions contain sulfur compounds that can aid in the detoxification process in the body, potentially reducing the workload on the kidneys. Onions also contain quercetin, a flavonoid that may help regulate blood pressure. Managing blood pressure is essential for kidney health, as high blood pressure can damage the kidneys over time. Eggs are a high-quality protein source and provide essential amino acids that support kidney function. Olive oil is a healthy fat that may help reduce inflammation and protect against kidney disease. Lean meats like skinless poultry and fish are excellent protein sources for kidney repair. They provide essential amino acids without overloading on phosphorus and potassium. Red grapes offer kidney-friendly benefits due to their high antioxidant content, particularly resveratrol. Additionally, red grapes are a good source of hydration and can be included in a renal diet to support overall kidney health. Remember, what you put on your plate matters, so choose wisely. Just a quick reminder: this video is for educational purposes only, so if you have any medical concerns, consult with a healthcare professional. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of your kidneys, and take care of yourself.